Are you thinking about moving to Western Washington? Well, today we're going to take you on a tour of DuPont Washington. We're also going to show you 3 different homes at different price points so you can see what might fit your budget.
So stick around to the end and we'll show you one of the best parts of living in DuPont, Washington. Is this your first time to our channel and you want to know everything there is to know about living, working, and playing in Western Washington? Then subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first in the know. Hi, I'm Brandy.
And I'm William, and we're the WB Nobles team.
We have lived in the Pacific Northwest for over 40 years combined, and we have people just like you reaching out to us all the time looking to make a move to or within Western Washington, and we absolutely love it.
So whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 9 weeks, feel free to give us a call, text, email, or schedule a Zoom call, as all of our contact information in the description box below.
We would be happy to help you make a smooth move to Western Washington.
So right now, we're actually in the downtown area of DuPont. DuPont's a small community just outside of Joint Base Lewis McChord. It's about an hour south of Seattle and about 20 minutes to 30 minutes north of Olympia. It's a lovely community. I actually myself lived here for over 15 years. I've got to say I love the community here in the downtown area. They have lots of shops, restaurants, a library, and everything here. One thing they are missing in DuPont is a grocery store. To hit a grocery store, you're either going to need to be, if you're a military serviceman, you can hit the BX or the PX because you have Joint Base Lewis McChord, or you can head over to Lacey or Olympia to do all your shopping. So let's head over to our first house and take a look so you can get to see what the homes here in DuPont look like. So we just made it to the first home we're looking at today. And one thing about DuPont that's important to know, if you don't like cookie cutter homes, then this isn't the area for you. These homes were all developed back in probably the late 90s, early 2000s. Like this first home we're about to look at right now and take a peek at was built in 2003. It boasts 1,712 square feet, which puts it at about $299 per square foot. It's 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths, and is listed for $512,000. Around DuPont, most of the homes in this area, which is basically split up into 3 separate areas. You've got Bell Hill, which is kind of your nicer, ritzier homes. You have Northwest Landing here, which is kind of your medium, and then you have Old DuPont as well. So this is the home behind me, as you can see. I do like that there's not a lot of on-street parking. The garage is actually in the back, so it kind of forces people to park more in the back. This is on a busy road, this house right here. So that's something you've got to make sure, you know, if that's something that's going to bother you or not, you want to kind of make sure you're not on that busy road because you're going to get quite a bit of road noise. But the nice thing is, at night, DuPont is a real sleepy town. So once the sun goes down, it kind of mellows out. If there's anybody hanging out, it's more in the downtown area than over here. All right, so this is our first home. Like I said, this one's listed at $512,000, built in 2003. So we're gonna head over now to our second home and we'll see you over there. One of the things I have to point out that I love about DuPont, and I love for living here for 15 years, is I love all the parks and little green spaces they had. So as you see behind me, there's a green space, which is right across the street from the home we're about to view. And it's nice to have for the community where they can hang out and have picnics and go around the football or baseball or whatever you want to do. So this home is listed at $649,900. It was built in 2005. It is 4 bedroom and 2.5 bath, and it is just about 2,922 square feet, which puts it just about $222 per square foot. Now, I think I said it earlier, if you don't like cookie cutter homes, you probably don't want to live in DuPont, at least this section in Northwest Landing. Most of the houses are very similar. The only thing they do is change the color from home to home. They made it a rule when you built here that you couldn't have the same color home as the person next to you. So that was a drastic difference in it when it came to this community out here. Another thing you're going to find is most of the homes here are kind of not updated as much as other homes might be, because a lot of this is a very transient community, being that it is a military community, and you have a lot of people moving in and out regularly. So that's something to keep in mind. So let's go ahead and check out this house right here in DuPont. All right, let's go.
First walk in this house and we see kind of a general living space here. It's kind of separated into two separate areas. Dining room over here, living room over here. Come through here, we've got our guest bathroom. Then in here we've got a family room area, little breakfast nook space, open concept kitchen. This is my favorite part about homes, is when there's an open concept kitchen, because when I'm in the kitchen, I want to be socializing with my family and my friends. And look at this walk-in pantry. Great for a big family. Coming upstairs to the bedroom area. At the top of the stairs here, we have another general living space, playroom, office space, workout gym. And this looks like one of the bedrooms, not the primary. Got the second bedroom in here. Oh, look at this. Third bedroom, bathroom for everyone. And then the primary suite. With his and her vanities, tub and a shower, and a nice walk-in closet. Very bright. Love the window here. This is great.
So right now I am in the highly coveted Bell Hill neighborhood here in DuPont. The houses out here are a little bigger, a little bit more pricier than you'd see over in Northwest Landing, except for on the Street of Dreams. Street of Dreams is about the same. Another thing you're gonna find here are some of the cookie cutter homes, but they're not as cookie cutter. There's a little bit more individuality in each of the homes in this area. The home I'm showing you behind me, I know very, very well. This home is 3,564 square feet. It's 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, and it actually sold a few years ago for over $900,000. It is actually the most expensive home sold here in Bell Hill. Another thing about the home, it features a whole new remodel of most of the home. Something I said earlier, most homes, people in their homes here don't seem to do that, but the owner of this house, previous owner, did. That was me. Did remodel the home. So it actually went for quite a bit of a higher price. A nice thing about this area right here on this block that I'm actually on is there's a green space right over here to my right, and that space will never be built on. so you will always have this green space and no other homes across the street. It also features a nice, these homes have a little bit bigger lots than some of the others over in the other neighborhood, which is nice. And you're right next to a walking trail that comes up over here directly in front of me, which is a beautiful trail that takes you out to a hidden park, which we'll probably take a look at another time. But it's quite amazing. You do have to watch out for wildlife out here, but you kind of got to do that in all of Washington, and especially in areas like this, which used to be more of a wetland here in DuPont. So this concludes my tour of DuPont, Washington. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe below and click the bell for notifications so you could be the first in the know with what's going down in Western Washington. See you next time.